Today we talk about how can you convert your Pinterest to personal on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on this sign, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account management here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on convert to personal account, just click on it. You click here on convert to personal here. So when you just click on it there, then it's going to convert with you to personal on your Pinterest app like you see here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.